This is packet received from Amazon, though it is broken at some points over here. See, over here as well. It should contain a remote controlled SUV car. So I think let's open from the back side. It is already not having any labels over here. This is the invoice. This is the car. This is all packing to support that it doesn't break, though it is only from the one side. Now this remote control car made in India. Thank God it's not Chinese. And 2.27 megahertz written. Now this is not properly screwed up. That means it might be of repacking. So let's open from this side. So this is actually not tied up properly from the back side. Piece wise it is fine. Plastic is not of very good quality. Low quality plastic is there. It was shown that it will open from here. Anyways, this should open. Over here the water will be put for spray. The quality is not very good. This is foldable, they showed, but not very good quality. Now this is a charging cable. This is for putting the water. This is a remote control tied up. So we have to cut this tie lock. Cut. Okay. So I'm cutting the tie lock. Tie lock will be cut. So this is the remote control. We have to put the cell. So those cells are not included in this. And over here, this is the on-off and charging point. This is for balancing at the center, keeping it at the center. It's not moving. Anyways, so once we put the cells, then we'll see how it works.